Welcome to Channel 4 News. It is 84 degrees with a chance of rain. Wait, hold on. We're getting breaking news. It is raining and water starts to flood on the ground. On the scene.
Hello, thank you, Trey. I'm here with Noah. Noah, is it okay if I ask you a few questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Noah. We've seen you've seen what's happening. The water's getting above to our ankles. Why did God flood the earth?
God flooded the earth simply out of sin and pride.
Yes, thank you, Noah. How did you know to build the ark, Noah?
God told me to.
Okay. Why did you listen to this man, so-called God, that you couldn't see?
I listened to him based upon my faith.
Okay. How big was the ark?
It was 300 cubits high and then 50 cubits wide.
What all people did you let in the ark, Noah?
I let in my wife and my sons and their wives.
Okay. Now, how many people were there?
In total, there were 8 people on the boat.
Okay. What wood did you use for the boat?
I used gopher wood for my boat.
Thank you, Noah. We'll be back. Okay, we're coming over here to the citizen to ask him a few questions. Yes, we hear that Noah made his ark out of cubits. What is a cubit, sir?
It's a measurement from your elbow to your fingertips.
Okay, a cubit is a measurement from your elbow to your finger. Whose cubit do you normally use when you do this?
Kings.
You use the king's cubit, sir. Thank you. What ask some citizens questions?
Okay, just letting you know there are also animals on the boat.
Okay, thank you, Noah. Thank you. We just got some information that Noah just told us that there were actually animals on the boat. Do you know what type of animals were on the boat and how many of each species?
I don't specifically know the type of animals, but there's 2 of each animal to make sure every creature survives. Hold on. More breaking news. The water is getting higher, and Noah's not letting anyone on boat. It's a chance of people drowning. Back to the scene.
Noah, the water's getting up to our necks, Noah. Why won't you let this citizen in, Noah?
It is because he refused to accept my teachings throughout an entire century.
I'm a mic dropped. Noah's son. Why won't your dad let anyone inside the boat?
Out of all of these,
No one accepted him out of all of these Williams. I played news reporter. Then we have Braden. We have Braden that played as the man that was knocking on the door, and he also taught us what a cupid was today. Thank you, man. We have Josh. Josh played. Josh local. He played Noah.
Yeah, you already know.
Taught us a lot about God.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
We got Trey, news reporter. He also was Noah's son, trying to ride the boat.
I have a basketball game tomorrow.
Then we have Gabby. Gabby did a great job at camera. Then we also have Sienna. Sienna wasn't here today. Pray for her.